part that they need to change out. It's a relay, and the maintenance folks have to go up in the belly of the aircraft, and it's a very high voltage relay. And in order to do that, they've got to power the airplane down completely. So at this point, I would like to deplane the aircraft. Unfortunately, if they're going to power the aircraft down, I can't have everybody on the airplane while we're in the dark. So we just have to wait for the gate agents to be ready to deplane. Please gather up all your belongings that you brought on your carry-on items, and once the remain seated for the moment, but when the gate agent is ready to plane, please, if we could exit in an orderly fashion, and then we can get this taken care of. Sorry for the inconvenience. The manager just spoke with me, and they're actually in the process of changing the relay now, so they won't have to power the aircraft down. So we're not going to be playing, but please, everybody remain calm, and I'll keep everybody updated.
It worked. Let's do the cross. It worked. It worked. It worked. All right.
Saturday night around 11:30.
We just wanted to give all of our Facebook family a
The
little
latest update
update
on the
since
debacle.
you guys are so kind and following along and staying updated with us and what's happening. So the latest was Mama Gail enjoying her second glass of wine at the brewery watching LSU. And shortly after I posted that, we got an email that said
The flight will be delayed again till midnight.
no, that was the midnight flight.
Oh, that was a midnight.
And then we got an email.
and it said now you won't be leaving till tomorrow at 4 p.m. Which I told Christina earlier that I really thought that was what would happen, that we wouldn't be going out. I just had a gut feeling.
And for those of you who want to know, it's American Airlines, and I've never flown American.
Yeah.
And
Well, like I said, it's probably better
we
than
had to fly it because
Following-
Southwest doesn't go to Europe. So
instead of falling into the ocean. I guess it's better.
yeah, so
So-
they gave us a hotel voucher. So
And
there was only
Uber?
one hotel to pick from. So we are at the Sleep Inn in Charlotte,
Not
North
bad.
Carolina.
Not bad.
Eh,
Not bad. It's okay.
uh,
No luggage. We have no luggage. No toothbrush. No
Our
makeup.
luggage is stuck on the plane that we're supposed to be taking tomorrow. And they gave us $55 for the Uber. And I'm hoping that they give us some more
Money.
vouchers
Yeah.
for having to
All this
spend money on
inconvenience.
dinner and stuff. So what else? And
I'm tired.
a
Very
lot
tired.
of the passengers on our plane are here as well, and we're gonna call it a night.
Yep.
And then hopefully take an Uber tomorrow, and hopefully,
We got to check out at 11, so we can't sleep too late.
yeah. So we have to take advantage of the breakfast, and I have to email the hotel in Rome and tell them that we are
A day late.
a day late, and hope that they're okay and they don't charge us.
They
So
will charge us. We'll have to see.
yeah.
All right.
Okay,
We're signing
well,
off
thanks for joining along on our adventures, and we'll keep you posted.
Get back soon. Night night.
Ciao.
Unfortunately, at this moment, I do not have another update besides the update I already provided you. The gate agent is down at the aircraft now, checking what the next steps will be. And as soon as she comes back up, if we have any, I will provide you with those. I just didn't want everyone to be wondering what's the next steps, because at this moment, we're unsure. Currently, it's still maintenance with the aircraft, and maintenance is working on the aircraft. We're trying to decide if it's going to be that flight that we're going to take as long as it's safe and ready to go to New Orleans. Other than that, switching to another aircraft. Most importantly is we want to get everyone there safe. So we're trying our best to make sure, and I apologize for any inconvenience we may have caused, but we're going to
The newest update, like I said earlier, the aircraft will not be fixed, so I'm just waiting to see what date we're going to now. No one is picking up this one. So I'll keep y'all posted once I get the new gate.
We were supposed to leave at 7. Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
The 4:25 a.m. departure, so my manager is on his way over. He's going to accommodate everybody with a hotel and meal vouchers. He should be here in the next 5 minutes. And y'all all should have got rebooked. If not, y'all should be rebooked in maybe less than 2 to 3 minutes. But he'll be over to accommodate y'all with the hotels and meal vouchers.
Over here, be able to answer any questions and assist you with any accommodations if necessary. What I just did was send over a mass email to all the eligible passengers that would be receiving hotel accommodations from American Airlines. Now, who is eligible? Anyone who is not considered a local. I'll answer it tomorrow. As far as compensation, I will send an email once we have everybody make their way off to the hotel, or if you guys decide to stay here, letting the company know what happened. That way they can provide you proper compensation. I'm not aware what the value of that compensation will be. That's determined by that department. If you want to reach out to American Airlines, you're more than welcome to at aa.com/customer relations. Now, if you need to be reimbursed for anything that you guys lost because of this delay, keep your receipts, submit them to American Airlines. They should reimburse you for it. Pardon me one moment.
Hi friends. Didn't think we'd have to make a part 2 of our airport adventures, but here we are. Today is Monday night, October 20th. Mama Gail and I left Rome. We flew out of Rome at 1 p.m. a little over 9 hours. Got to where we are now, which is the Philly airport. We got here, I think we landed around 5, and then went everywhere, did the passport customs thing, and then our original flight was supposed to take off like 6:30, and then it was delayed, and then by the time we got to the gate, we were supposed to take off at 7:05. And then we got to the gate and they had pushed it back, and from 7:05 until, what are we, like 11:30, they just kept delaying it and pushing it back. And the first reason was because there's a maintenance issue, so they were going to try to fix whatever was wrong on the plane or give us a new plane. Okay, so a little bit before 7 o'clock, we did see the captains and the crew actually physically go on the plane.
Needed at Bravo 8.
So
Prospect needed at Bravo 8.
The captains and the crew were seated on the plane from about 7 to like 10. So for 3 hours they were on the plane. And the gate agents kept coming on every half hour, like, we're trying to give you an update, you know, as soon as we know something. This one lady was very frustrated. She told us, well, I keep trying to call, no one answers the phone, so she couldn't give any information. So finally, it kept getting pushed back, which you'll see in the sequence, all the different times it got pushed back. And finally, they pushed us back to fly out of here, the Philly airport, at 5 a.m. tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So then we had to wait around for everybody to get an email that gives you a hotel voucher and a meal voucher, which there was 3 hotels to pick from, and you get $12 each for a meal. But by the time you would take the shuttle to get to the hotel, you have to get back here to board at 4:20. It would make no sense. So what are we doing, Mom? We have made the collective decision to sleep at Philly airport. So American Airlines, this is the second time this has happened to us in 1 week. Second time.
Philadelphia International Airport. Please don't
This is
leave your
why
seat
I am a
unattended.
Southwest snob.
Bags and
Only
personal
fly
belongings
Southwest.
may have to be removed
Southwest,
and
you need to start
searched
going to Europe.
in order to ensure everyone's safety.
All right, that's our
Your
story.
cooperation is
We're here all,
appreciated.
well, we're not here all, we have like half the people on our plane actually ended up staying at the airport too. So maybe we'll get back to New Orleans tomorrow. What you think?
Sayonara.
We're so tired.
I'm tired.